Hello, my Year 3 phonics group, Year 3, Phase 4. We are now doing our 3 consonants. Str. Okay, 3 consonants that go together to make the str sound. Now, I want you to have a think about anything in your house that starts with that str sound. Pause the video. Don't forget, maybe put some post-it notes around them. Okay, have a little think. Point your finger ready. Str, ip, strip, str, string, str, strung, str, up, strap, str, eat, straight, str, s, stress, str, strong, str, struck, str, strum. Speed read. Strip, string, strung, strap, street, stress, strong, struck, strum. Go for a stroll in the street. Go for a stroll in the street. Okay, right, quick game of bingo then. I'd say 5 words today. I'm going to write them all down whilst you do your 5. Don't forget, you can pause the video if you need to. I do really miss you, my phonics group, and I can't wait until you're sat with me doing phonics. It's just not the same doing it to a video. And I've not been able to give out any stickers or put anything on bookmarks. I don't get your smiling faces looking at me. Don't forget, you can always send a picture in of you doing some amazing phonics. Right, your first one is eat, street. Your next one is strong. Your next one is stress, stress. Strum. Strung. Don't forget we've done that sound before. String. It's got that again. Strip, strip. Up, strap. Struck. We've done that sound as well. Good job. I look forward to hearing who's won in your family.